Alright. What is up, y'all? We have just picked up Talon after a few long days. She is finally flashed, unrestricted, and she is here in all of her power and glory. Dun, 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 dun. Aha. We did not get dyno numbers yet because unfortunately somebody's monster of a boosa blew a sensor in the dyno, so we're gonna have to come back for that, but I will get that done. I'm excited to ride the bike. I'm not quite sure how to get back towards my house yet, so that's why I got the GPS going for right now. But I am gonna, let's see. These paint strips are slippery. Are you finna, oh, you're gonna wait for me? You're so nice. Oh yeah. My helmet is so dirty. How dirty is it? She is a rumbly song gun now, boys. Holy hell. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh, oh Lord have mercy! She is so loud. Wow, that's like a gunshot. Bruh, that's actually kind of scary. That is so fucking scary. Oh my God, it's so loud now. What the fuck? Can y'all hear that? I'm gonna try to block the wind. That sounds fucking insane. Holy shit. Bro. You know, you're so loud. Isn't that terrifying, guy? That's fucking crazy! Bro! Oh man, I wish Mike didn't drive so fast. Oh, I wish I could find him. I gotta try to catch up with Mike. Where you at, Mike? It's scary. I'm loud and scary. I love it. I'm gonna scare this person today. What the fuck? We're coming through. Holy shit. Mike, that might, I hope that's Mike. Nope. That was my man. Yeah. You heard him. You heard him. He got mad. He said, oh, shit. They thought the light turned green. It's so loud, it just stresses people the fuck out. Oh, I love it. Oh, man. This is fantastic. Alright, upcoming things for the channel. Lots of good stuff this summer. Y'all need to tune in. Holy shit. Oh yeah, we home.